Hey everyone, it's Kate. This is a video I've been wanting to make for a while. This is about how to find some free networking events on Facebook. So I'm on my Facebook page. I'm gonna move my little face over here, and I'm on a laptop, so you have to be on your computer. You have to figure this out on your phone, but go to events. So now I'm in events, and then here on the right side, I'm going to go to networking. Now, here's something you can do. I don't know what SeaTac Virginia is, but I assume that this is going to, that's not exactly where I live, but I do live in Virginia, and I just checked a second ago, and these events are local to me. So hopefully this is going to show up where you are. And then what you need to do, just start scrolling down. Let's see, Entrepreneur Mastermind. This is at Gather. That's a local co-working space in the nearby, the next town over. This is 1 Million Cups. I've been to this. This is free. They meet every week. In my location, BizConnect, that's a paid one. It's pretty cheap, but they have stuff all the time. And then they have these workshops that are also for people who don't want to go to their weekly meetings. But y'all just look, check this out. So all this stuff is networking. I'm going to get down here to something. Okay. This is for small, so women-owned and minority businesses. That's a networking event. This is a co-working space, and they do free small business development meetings. Look at this, Professional Networking Mixer. I don't know who these people are. So what you'll do is you'll click in here, you'll read about it. There'll probably be a contact or not. Maybe you just show up, but reach out. And then here is my advice. Every time you go to one of these, make it a goal to not leave until you have found another invitation or someone tells you about another event to go to that they like. So try to find the people who look like they know what they're doing, who are comfortable, who maybe seem to know a lot of people. See if you can get with them. Tell them that, hey, you're starting your business, and you really, want to get out there and would love the chance to know about more opportunities to meet entrepreneurs because you're excited about business. I mean, just act excited, and they're going to be excited to have you, because none of these networking meetings work unless there are like lots of people there. So everyone wants people to show up to these things. I mean, there's so much, y'all. So I hope that you live in an area that has some stuff in the events tab. All right.